in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kaufman County in north-central Texas, southeastern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hutchins, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Dallas, Bulk Springs, Hutchins, and Wilmer around 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Seagoville around 1:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Mesquite around 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Combine around 2:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Crandall around 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Forney around 2:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Talty around 2:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Heartland, Post Oak Bend City, Lawrence, Oak Grove, Scurry, Sand Branch, and Oak Ridge. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.